Wait. What are you doing? You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. You had passed more than 1 hour now without gaining anything. What did you say? If you gain with me, I will learn you Arabic and you learn the Quran if you want. Till you are not a Muslim, you have no need to come to Egypt at here. I am Muhammad Hanafi from Egypt, Azharist, more than 30 years in learning and teaching Quran and Arabic language. I'll begin with you from zero. You have no need to have any experience about Arabic language or Quran. With a very good price, it's €5 for the hour. And if you come with a group, you will have a reduction of up to 30%. It is contact me in this WhatsApp.